Alright guys, how's it going? I'm just here to help you guys find out, hopefully help you guys find out the average cost for each unit of Buffalo Industries. So problem 6 to 9a on chapter 7. Um, so basically Buffalo Industries began operations on July 1st. It uses a perpetual inventory system. During July, the company had the following purchases and sales. So we're just trying to figure out that continual inventory basically is what we're trying to figure out. So I put it on a slideshow here just to keep my thoughts straight because I don't have paper in my apartment at all. So, um, first off, we want to know what the average for July. Obviously, July 1st unit cost is 107 for each product. So the average we have right there is 107. That'll be the same for July 6th. There's nothing we need to really do about that for July 1st and 6th. Um, Now, when we move on down to July 11th and 14th, there's a little bit more work. We're trying to find the average of all those, obviously. So, to find that, we need to take the unit purchases. So the amount there, I believe, is 5, and multiply that by the cost of each unit, so $114. And then you just add that into the prior dates of 12 units and multiply that by however much those are, so the 107 right there. Um, and then to get the average of that and find kind of what we're looking for, we need to get rid of the inventory that we have, or the ones we have, which would be the 9, and then multiply it by that same amount of 107, as you can see right here. And the total of that up is 891. Okay. So then to find the average, though, we have to do that by the amount of inventory we have left, or that we have. So we have to divide that by the 8 that we have left over. So 12 minus 9, that's the 3, and then that 5 is the 8. So you divide that by 8, and the answer for the July 11th and 14th is the 11.38. 111.38. Sorry. Just put that there. Makes a little more sense. So there you have it for July 11th and 14th. And then for July 21st and 27th, it gets, same process, same thing. You just got to add in both of those prior dates here. So, okay. Yeah, we do the same thing. We take the 7 units right here that I'm talking about from July 21st that we have under the purchases units, and multiply them by their cost, so 123. Add that to the other 17 units that we've had beforehand, and we can use that new average that we got, the 111.38. So I want to make sure that's right, and multiply that by that 17. Okay. Add that to the 123 times 7, like I said, and then you subtract the inventory we have, which would be the 14, yeah, times 111.38. Okay. That comes out to be a total of 1,195.14. And then obviously, oh man, I just saw another mistake. We have to divide that by the inventory. Sorry. And then that comes out to be the total of 119.52. We throw that in there. Oh man, wrong page. And there you have that. The correct answer is there. That's how you do that 6-9A right there. If you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully I can be able to help you out and maybe give you a better understanding of that, or comments or anything would be great. There you have it.